Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Car Fix, 2007 Suzuki, Suzuki something. Let me see Suzuki what? Suzuki Reno. This is Suzuki Reno, and what's going on? Check engine light is on. The vehicle lost power completely, went into limb mode, and when it went into limb mode, we got the code 2138. Guys, 2138 P2138 on most vehicles or all vehicles, pretty much that pedal. You see that gas pedal has a little sensor on it. When the sensor malfunctioned, that's what happened. So most likely what you got to do after you test the wiring and everything to it, replace the gas pedal. It's electronic throttle here. So to replace it, and that should solve your problem. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe.